These dewdrops are like morning jewels. See the color on this cluster? A fine harvest awaits. Let's check the next row. Indeed, the plants are thriving. These boysenberries are thriving this year. Indeed, a bountiful harvest awaits. Patience and care always yield the best results.
The soil looks rich, let's check the moisture. Good idea, I'll get a sample. The berries are perfect, this is ideal. Yes, the drainage is good. We'll plant tomorrow then.
The berries are ripe this season. Indeed, we must get them to market soon. The carts are holding up well. Yes, they are.
These look good. Sorting by color first. Yes, and then by size. This one is large. This pile is almost done.
This row's emitters look good, just a minor adjustment. Good. I'll check the pressure in the main line.
Look, the plants have flowers and berries. Yeah, some are red and some are purple. Can we pick some? They look yummy. Wow, this one's ready to eat.
The growth is steady this season. Yes, the berries are filling out nicely. Let's check for pests along this row.
These boysenberries are so fresh. Yes, the washing makes them shine. This copper basin keeps the water hot. Let's get the next batch ready.
This compost will really help the roots. Yes, the soil feels richer already. Let's keep this row going. Look at this one, dark and bumpy.
Yes, perfect. This red one needs more sun.
Feel that texture, it's ready.
Agreed, these can be picked.
Good. Let's keep checking. The vines on the right need more. Adjusting now. Good coverage. Keep it steady. Understood.
These are perfect this morning. Yes, the dew makes them easy to pick. Let's fill these baskets before the sun gets too high.
These boysenberries are ripe and heavy this season. Yes, the bushes are full. Let's get these to processing. The buyers will be pleased with this yield. Indeed, let's keep moving. We must prune these lower branches to boost the berry yield. Yes, and it will improve airflow for the fruit. Exactly. Let's trim this section next. Understood? I'm on it.
Let's check the pressure along this line.
Right. I'll adjust this valve. This one is clogged. I'll clear it.
Good. The flow looks even now. These are the last of the season.
Let's make them count. Levels look a bit low for these boysenberries. Let's test the soil. I'll get a sample. Good. I'll prepare the test. The probe has the sample. Adding the solution now. Check these berries for spots. This leaf has discoloration. Mark it. We must check all the bushes. Agreed. The yield depends on this. Logging it now. We trim these excess shoots to help the berries grow bigger. Yes, and it keeps the vines healthy for next season. A clean cut here, and the energy goes to the fruit. Exactly. Good work.
Look at the growth here. The vines are thriving. Yes, and the blossoms are opening. It won't be long now. The berries are already forming. See, some are starting to ripen. Let's pick one to taste.
The flow looks steady in this canal. Yes, but let's check the downstream pressure. The berries here are thriving. Is the water enough? It is. The distribution is balanced. Good. Steady now. Keep the rows even. Yes, the soil is ready. The vines are strong this year. Good. The pruning will help. Indeed, a fine harvest. Steady pace, brothers. The facilities are just ahead. The berries look excellent this season. Let's keep them that way. Almost there. To the sorting line, right behind you. Careful now.
Let's sort these carefully for the inspection. Yes, the quality must be perfect. Check for any soft or damaged ones. These look good, ready for the next batch.
The growth charts show yields are steady. Yes, but this dip in week 3 is concerning. It's minor. The projections are positive. Agreed. We'll continue monitoring. The birds were at them again last night. These nets will stop them. Let's pull it tight. Good. Now the edges. There. That should hold.
These are perfect for the crates. Yes, very ripe. Check for leaves. This batch is ready for export. Good. Keep them steady.
The automated system is distributing water evenly. Yes, and the soil moisture is optimal. Good. Let's check the emitters. This one is working fine. Excellent. The boysenberries will thrive. Path's holding up. Keep pace, everyone. Got it. These berries are looking great. Good. Let's get these in before the sun's too high.
Almost there. The water is clear. These are ready. I'll add more. The basket is almost empty. They look perfect. Let's get them dried.
Let's check the pH here by the roots. Inserting the probe now. It's reading 6.2. Looks good. Good. That's ideal for boysenberries.
Let's check these for size and ripeness. These look good, consistent color. Yes, but watch for soft ones. Good eye. Set those aside. Next crate, let's move on.
See these vines? Trim the old branches here. Got it. This opens up the plant. Exactly. More sunlight means more berries. Looks much better now.
These crates are full. Let's label them now. Okay, I'll check these ones. Hand me the labels, please. This batch looks ready for market.
These shoots are strong, a good sign. Yes, the leaves are vibrant. Look at the roots, very healthy. This row is ready for support. We'll add trellises tomorrow.
The harvest is good this year. Yes, the baskets are full. Let's take them to the collection point. The others will be waiting.
This organic mix is perfect for the berries. Yes, and it keeps the soil healthy. Let's get the whole row done. Agreed. The plants will thank us.
Let's check the pressure here. The emitters seem fine. Good, the plants look healthy. Continue to the next row.
These shoots are coming in strong. Yes, and look at the flowers. The fruit set will be good. Let's check for pests on these vines. The berries here are starting to ripen. Pull it tighter to the left. It's catching on the thorns. I've got this side secure. Good. Now tie it off. All set? On to the next. The vines are thriving this year. Yes, and the berries are so full. Let's check the next row.
Check for any soft or bruised ones. This bunch is perfect. Yes, the color is just right. Good, let's keep checking.
Focus on the new growth. Snip here. Understood. These look very healthy. Yes, good work. Check this one. On it. Look at the color on these. Firm and plump. Excellent. The final harvest. We must ensure quality. Agreed. These will fetch a good price.
Careful with this one, it's heavy. I've got it, lining up the edge. Perfect. Now for the next layer. Good work, team. Stack is stable.